Hey guys, Meredith here with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're checking out the Jeep License by TruShield locking roll-up tonneau cover with the Jeep logo, fitting all 2020 and newer JT Gladiators. Now, if you're looking for affordable protection for the bed of your JT, this option will be a good one to take a look at. Now, this will offer you the look and function of a soft cover with being a light and being incredibly easy to use, but will give you the security of a lockable function if you want the best of both worlds for the back of your Gladiator. Now, I do want to note, because this is still a soft cover, it's not going to be completely knife-proof, but it will provide more security compared to the average soft cover. Now, the big benefit about this cover is the fact that it's got the qualities of a soft cover, allowing it to be lightweight and easy to maneuver on a daily basis if you are in and out of your bed often, while also having a seamless appearance on the back of the truck. This one, however, will have multiple aluminum frame rails to give structure to the cover and allow the sides to be secure to these rails here. Now, this will also lock with the tailgate, so you can keep anybody out who you don't want to easily get in. Now, when you do want to access your bed, all you have to do is unlock the tailgate, put it down, and you'll be able to roll the soft cover back on itself by unhooking the little plastic tabs from the side of the rails. It is a little bit more work as far as untucking those and then rolling it back. However, it's very easy to do and very lightweight to do, especially compared to a hard cover or something like a button-up cover. Now, you can't see it here, but this cover will also be backed by Jeep with the logo on the back of the cover by the tailgate, giving a factory-style construction if you like that OE Plus appearance. This will have an aluminum frame on the inside that you'll put underneath to give that support, and aluminum rails that will be durable and lightweight, covered in a black powder coat to resist corrosion over time and keeping the sides and the frame rails underneath looking new over time. Now, on top, this will have a weather-resistant leather grade vinyl, which will add a very sleek and traditional look to the back of the truck, and is coated in a polyester, which will resist fading and damage over time. Now, this will also be completely clamp on whether you have the utility rails or you do not have the utility rails. It will come with hardware for both, so you're not going to have to do any modification in order to install this. Now, this again will be super affordable, coming in at about $300. Now, compared to other choices, this again is going to offer you a little bit more than the average roll-up soft cover design, with the lockable ability and the structured build in the back and underneath the main body of the cover, while still keeping the benefits of a vinyl appearance and the ability to use the entire bed whenever you need to. Now, all of that while having a Jeep back design makes this a fantastic pick in my book, and you are going to be saving some money in the meantime. Install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about an hour to get the job done. This is fairly straightforward, and it's only going to take a couple of basic hand tools to do it. Now, at this point, we can head over to our shop and check out a detailed breakdown on how you can get this onto the back of your JT at home. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Tools required for this install include the included Allen wrench. What's up, guys? Today we're installing a tonneau cover on our Gladiator, so let's get started. So now we're going to start off by mounting our sidebars. You want this silver piece towards the back of the bed, and then we'll install our clamps loosely. The side with this foam pad wrapping around is going to go underneath of the side of the bed, and then this little slot is going to go into our rail. And then we'll just hand thread that bolt in. We're going to loosely mount it for now until we can get our crossbars in, and then we'll fully tighten them down. And now you can do that same thing on the other side. So now we can install our crossbars. We have this little tab here that's going to be sitting in the little cutout. So we'll slide one side in, get that into place, and then get our second one into place. And then we can just keep doing that same thing for the other two. So now with our 3 crossbars installed, we can take the included Allen wrench to tighten down the bolts on each of our clamps. And then you'll do that same thing on the other side. So now I've got our cover placed on the front side of the bed. We have this little rectangular slot that's going to be going into our rail, and then we have this knob so that we can tighten it down. So now we can just slide this tab into the slot here. And then we're going to twist this knob to tighten it up against our rail. And then you'll do that same thing on the other side. So now with our tonneau cover rolled out, we're gonna take this little lip and stuff it inside here to latch it down. And then we'll just do that all the way to the rear of the bed. Now with the rear of our tonneau cover, we have these 2 clips that are gonna go into the 2 slots. So we'll get those lined up, and then we can push down to lock it into place. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Jeep licensed by TruShield locking roll-up tonneau cover with Jeep logo for your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Thank you for watching, and for all things Gladiator, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.